Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY, another easy and fun little DIY for you guys to do for a nice home decor. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, we have these mirror frames here, mirror picture frames from the Dollar Tree. And I have this canvas board here, which is 11 by 14, which I also got from the Dollar Tree. And we have this flower bling wrap, which you can get from Amazon. The link will be in the description bar below. And we have our scissors, and our E6000, and our glue gun, you guys. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start by removing the backing from our picture frame. We're just going to take out everything, the glass, everything. Because we're just going to use the frames and we're just going to line them up on the canvas board. And I'm just going to trace where I line them up. So you'll see what I'm doing next. I just want to trace the space where I line up these openings. And now I've taken our flower bling wrap and just cut out the shape of the squares that's in the openings, and we're just going to lay them down onto the canvas board.
Recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give with me, 'cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving.
Now we're going to take our mirrored frames and glue them down to the canvas board over the bling wrap with our hot glue gun. Okay, now I have these petals, these rose petals I got from the Dollar Tree also. I had forgotten to show you them at the beginning, but they're rose petals. They come in different colors. I got the white ones, and we're just going to lay them down in our design in a flower. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our easy, nice and simple, inexpensive DIY wall decor. I think it looks very nice. I love the mirrored frames, and I love these rose petals. They look so lovely. They're light and airy and very nice, and they come in different colors. And you get them at the Dollar Tree. I believe it was in the bridal section. I found them in, you guys. The section where the section where they sell things for weddings and stuff. I think that was the section I found them in. But they're very nice. They come in different colors. They're really cute, fun, you know, to add to your decor. Yeah. All right, everyone. I hope I've inspired you once again with another fun, cute and easy DIY for you to do. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to do today. And don't forget to like, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.
He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you.